What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to take you guys along with me thrifting, and I'm going to go out and look for some items at the op shops and salvos and the thrift stores, see what I can find for the $5 thrift challenge, and take you guys along with me. Hopefully we find some gems. Let's go. Rockport. They're asking $10 for them. Okay. Got Echo sandals here. These I like. Worn a couple of times. Easy to list. Don't have to clean them. $15. That's a bit high. But I'm seeing new hats here as well. So that's alright. What do we got? No. Maybe. Maybe. Mobile. Check out that Nautica. Brand new with tags. That's a scoop. How much are they asking? $7. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Maybe you can come back and put $4 in the donations you wanted.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah?
Yeah, alright.
We'll make it. Yeah?
Sure.
When you've got it.
Yeah.
Alright? And that way you'll square it up.
Sure thing. Dude, no way did I just find this as well, man. At Diary of a Flipper. You be happy with this, man? Let's go. Let's freaking go. The Lady and the Tramp clamshell. That's pretty good. $19.95. How much are these two pins down here? These ones, the Allied Footballers member. Yeah, those two. $4.50 each. Okay. What's the best you'd do for the two of them together?
I could probably do the 2 for 6.
2 for 6. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that.
Sure.
Yeah. Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I'm back home. I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm going to break down what I picked up today and how much I expect to get out of it. So the first op shop I went to, I filled up a bag worth of stuff and I got everything for $45. I managed to barter them down a little bit off of what they were asking. Got these Nautica new with tags boardies here. These should hopefully go for about $30, I reckon. Could get a little bit less, could get a bit more out of them, not sure yet. The next thing I picked up was this Heineken Champions League hat, and I paid $1 for this. I should get about $20 or maybe $30 out of this as well. I also picked up these. These are Echo sandals, and they're basically new. They've been worn maybe twice, and they've been worn twice, and they should fetch me about $40 to $50. Well, they had $15 on them. The last thing I picked up from this one-op shop were just these shoes here. These are Rockport. They're Rockport casual sneakers. I expect to get between $30 to $60 out of these, and they had $10 on them as well. The last thing that I got from this op shop was some movies and a video game. So I managed to pick up The Last of Us. Then I also scored Seventh Heaven. So I have season 4 to 10, and there's seasons 1 to 11. If I can find season 1, 2 and 3 and season 11 and bundle it up all together with this, I should be able to get about $100 to $120 for the lot of them. The next place I stopped at was Salvo's, and I managed to find this Rip Curl 60s bum bag. It's almost like a bum bag, it's a bit bigger than one. I paid $5 for this, and I should hopefully flip it for about $20 to $40 between that price range. I also stopped by one more op shop, and I picked up a few bits of media, and I also picked up these pins. They were marked at $4.50 each. One's from 1977 and the other's from 1976, and each of these pins were selling for about $15 to $20 a piece on eBay. So I got the pair of them for $6. I'm going to list them together, and I'm going to shoot for about $40 and put best offer on for about $30 or higher. I managed to get Jesus on VHS it's originally from Koorong, and I think I should be able to get between $15 to $20 plus postage for this. I saw a sold comp on eBay for $19.95, so I'm going to list it for $15, and it should definitely sell for that price. The next thing I picked up was The Lady of the Tramp on clamshell VHS. I paid $1 for this, and it should sell for about $10 to $20 plus postage, depending on the buyer and who buys it. If a collector is willing to buy it and pay up for it, they might pay $15 to $20 for it. And then the last, but very not least, the best thing of the day, probably the home run. Shout out to Diary of a Flipper. Here you go. I finally found it. New McDonald's farm, Barnyard Boogie. And there it is there. Now this is ranging between $50 to $100 or so in what's listed and what's sold. So I'm hoping I can get about $50 to $60 out of this. If you see this, pick it up. I paid $1.50 and it should sell for about $50 plus postage. That's what I'm going to shoot for. So let's go. That is everything I picked up today while I went out thrifting for the day. And it was a pretty successful day overall. I think I came up with about $300 worth of stuff in gross sales, maybe a bit more. Now I need to list everything and get it all listed and written off for the $5 thrift challenge as well, and then get it all up on eBay so it can sell. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like down below and leave me a comment and let me know what you thought about this video. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know. And until next time guys, stay humble, stay hustling, peace.
Never let them tell you you can't do it. Hard times but you're gonna get through it. I promise you, cause I've been there. Got up and I put my mind to it. They told me no but I told them yes. And I used to feel all alone so depressed, but I fought back, now I smile again. If I ever fail I'ma just try again.